Let's try to find buying opportunities in the stock market using technical analysis. Tesla is up $1.80, closed at 172.63. Post-market, we seem to be still up by 35 cents. Let's take a look at what we have here on the chart. As you know, we are into a descending channel. Tesla has been going down since August of last year. And if we pull back even more, since November 2021, Tesla has been into a downtrend. Tesla is supposed to go down. This is what a downtrend means. And this is exactly what has been happening. Yes, there has been some little bit of buying opportunities here and there. We have identified a few recently since 2023. I am putting them there. But right now, we don't have any buying opportunity for Tesla. We don't have Stochastic over 60. We are using a 21 Stochastic. We need it over 60 to have any believable move in the stock market. If you take a look at when Stochastic is over 60, you always find a move up. Always find a move up. Of course, you need to sell in time. You need to sell in time because if you don't sell, it can come back down and then this is no good. This is buying and holding. If you buy and hold into a downtrend, the money you have, it is going to come down. So right now, there's no buying opportunity for Tesla. If we start breaking at the low, if we break 155.46, Tesla is going to be a short. It is going to be a short because this is going to be an indication that this 155.46 support, that was very important in the past, in 2023. 2023, it was very, very important support. It means that it won't hold again and we should be falling further down. So nothing to do here. We just have to watch that number 155.46 for a short. And we need to watch over 174.89 or 180.38 if you are more cautious before dubbing it a move up. VIX, so VIX is up just slightly. VIX tend to stay down for a couple of days, then go up. Stay down for a couple of days and go up. This is pretty much the pattern. So maybe we are starting the going up a phase. So this would not be good for the stock market. The bonds are also climbing a little bit. This is not too good. The US dollar, it has been climbing for the past 2 weeks. So this is in general not good for the stock market either. Let's take a look at the stock indices. This will help us see where the market is going as a whole. Dow Jones moving down. We are just right smack on our support at 39,313. If we break it, then we are back into the congestion zone. This is going to be a big sell if we break 38,332, that support line here. S&P 500 caving in a little bit, but we are into our bullish channel, so it's still fine. NASDAQ, but this is just going sideways, nothing to do here. If we break 18,336, then this would be a buy. If we break 17,803, this would be a sell. Let's take a look at the Magnificent Seven. So, Apple is not doing super well. We are down a little bit. We are still into our downward channel until we break that. There is nothing to do here. Amazon, look at this. It's trying. You see it here. It's trying to break 180.11. If it breaks it for good and closes above it, then you can buy into Amazon. If not, stay put. If you want to sell it, short it, wait for 167.18. AMD back into its congestion zone. Nothing to do here for now. If we break 162.57 right here, then you can short this. ARM, we are into a congestion zone between 116 and 150. So the same thing. If we break the above line, you buy. If we break the below line, 116, you sell. Google, very close to breaking 151.88. Once we break it, then this is a buy, but we have been trying for the past week. So no buyers. So the buyers don't really want to come in at this point. Microsoft, we had a nice impulse right here last week. This has not worked out. This is not super bad. We are still above 415.25. So if you are willing to suffer that move down to 415, maybe it's going to bounce on 415. We have support there. Myself, I didn't want to suffer that. As soon as I saw it come down, I was out, minimal loss. Meta, basically going sideways. I'm going to adjust this congestion zone, because it's no longer useful because, we are going up and down here. Here, it's not too bad. But what is really happening is this. So I'm going to put it at 523.39. So if we break that, then you can buy. But before that, I would be just a bit more careful. But at least we are trending up. Look at this. Trending up. Boom, 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 boom. Perfectly trending up. So we should be zigzagging a little bit before breaking 523.39 or breaking this downward support. NVIDIA, we had this break right here not too long ago, so we are continuing. So this one is bullish. Palantir going sideways. SMCI, this one is all over the place. Going up, going down. We don't have stochastic over 60, so this recent move up is to be taken lightly because we don't have stochastic to confirm it. Let's take a look at our EV stocks. So BYD still bullish. We have been bullish since February. We were $22 and now we are around 27. So, this is bullish. This is our slope. We are continuing. Lucid, big surge in volume. So let's take a look at this here. So we have some news. So EV maker Lucid rallies after $1 billion investment by majority stockholder as it burns cash. So the Saudis are investing $1 more billion. So they seem to like this company a lot, and I do like Lucid. I think they have great cars. They are better cars than Tesla. Maybe not for the full self-driving thing, but in terms of the motors, the batteries, the interiors of the cars are so much better. I love Lucid cars a lot, so maybe this is going to change the mood of our investors. We'll see. Neo Battery Material doing nothing. Neo doing nothing. Novonix, we broke 231. I said that the last resort would be 218. We are still above it today, but we'll see. We don't have any green candles yet. We are still in the red. Xpeng, we are down to $8, 822, or very close to it. Rivian, the same thing. Nothing to see here. We would need to break 1220. Bitcoin, boom. And we were a little bit below 67,000 and boom, we have just moved higher. So Bitcoin is recovering. There's a bunch of Bitcoin ETFs that I'm looking at. This one is in Canada. So, we have this resistance at 1383. So yeah, I'm going to start moving into Bitcoin in terms of ETFs a little bit more. Baito doing better after a little bit of a move down. So basically we are into this congestion zone. It can vary between 28 and 33 and we should be reacting to it. If it breaks 33.90, if it goes lower than 28, then we can react. But before then, not react. XRP going a little bit higher. This one won't move before 66 cents. Let's hope that it gets there. Physical gold trust going sideways. So before we break 17, nothing is going to happen. And silver just going sideways. Nothing to see here. Before we break 864, nothing is going to happen. Some news here. Elon Musk has mandated Tesla employees to install and demo full self-driving for every customer taking delivery in North America. What is the reason behind this? This is what Elon wrote in an email. Going forward, it is mandatory in North America to install and activate blah, 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 and take customers on a short test ride before handing over the car. So Musk says that he wants more people to realize FSD actually worked. So, this is a marketing push, I'm assuming. But, Elon knows that this will slow down the delivery process, but it is nonetheless a hard requirement. Yeah, this is interesting that Elon is mandating that. So I think he wants to sell more FSD. Okay, why not? So stay tuned. I do a video like this every single day. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.